Alright, Steve, it's nice to meet you. My name is Trevor. I am going to be your physical therapist today. So what we're going to do is move the resistance here, the kilopons, to 2. You've been warming up at 0 kilopons and 50 RPMs. Continue that same RPM level, which is 50, and starting at 2 as soon as we get there. Okay, perfect. 2 kilopons. So in 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to measure your vitals again, which I've already done while you were resting, and you were within the normal ranges, so we're going to go ahead and continue on with this test. Your heart rate was 68, your blood pressure was 140/80. So we also adjusted the bike seat to your greater trochanter of your femur, which is the correct positioning for this machine. We also did so the point of the Astrand test is to determine your VO2 max. Okay? So in about another minute and a half, we're going to take those vitals again. And the goal of the Astrand test, I should tell you, is to get a steady state for your heart rate in which we can predict the VO2 max. So we'll continue on with the test here, and in 1 minute I will go ahead and measure the vitals. Oh, I also did determine, based on your age and resting heart rate, that the range we are looking for is within 60 to 85% of the max, the heart rate max there, and I've determined that the range is 141.9 to 172.7. Okay? So we want your steady state to be within that. And we can go ahead and take vital measurements now. Please hold this. And it was 150/80. Perfect. Now I'm going to take your heart rate here. Okay. That was 135. Okay, so you're not within range yet. We're going to go ahead and continue on with the test. So in 2 minutes from now, we're going to take the vital measurements again and see where we're at. Do you have any questions? Oh, actually, I also need to do this. This is the rate of perceived exertion based on the Borg scale between 6 and 20, and I need you to tell me what your exertion level is at. Below 11, perfect. Okay, so I'll record that data. Perfect, and the time's still going, we're right on the money. Do you have any questions?
I have no questions.
Okay. How are you feeling?
I'm great.
Getting some exercise. So in 1 more minute, we'll take those vitals. Is the lighting okay in here?
Lighting is great.
It's good. All right, you can see it.
Yeah.
All right. Facilities that you're liking?
They meet my standards.
Meet your standard. That's good. Remember to keep those RPMs right at 50. 20 seconds, we'll take those measurements. Okay. Go ahead and get ready. Please focus. 175 over 82. Great. Now I'm going to take your heart rate and using the stopwatch I have. Okay, great. Now that was 152 beats per minute, your heart rate there, which means you're within the range. So we're going to go on for one more minute, take your heart rate again, and if it is within 5 beats per minute of that last one, we're going to go ahead and determine that that's a steady state, and we'll be done with the test, okay? And I'm also going to ask you your RPE right now, based on the Borg scale. 12. 12, great, okay. Continue on with this. Fantastic. Okay. So about 45 more seconds. I'll take that measurement. What are you doing this weekend? Anything fun?
No plans.
No plans. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and take that last heart rate measurement. I've got my timer going there. Okay, so let's see if we're in range. We are. You are at 156, which is only 4 more than 152 beats per minute. We've reached a steady state, and that's fantastic. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and have you cool down at 0 kilobonds and keep that RPE the same. And that is it. Do you have any questions about the Astrand test?
No other questions.
Great. That is nice looking.